Once thriving near Mexico City is a salamander-like creature that only exists in protected aquariums today. On this episode of World's Weirdest Animals, we take a look at the axolotl. The axolotl, Mexican salamander, or Mexican walking fish, is a neotenic salamander, or one that is the equivalent of an unmetamorphosed salamander. They spend their whole life in the water, unlike other amphibians. Believe it or not, this critically endangered species comes in multiple colors, being black, white mottled brown, and albino. These amphibians once lived in Lake Xochimilco in Mexico, but have been run to critically endangered levels by urbanization and the expansion of Mexico City. In 2013, a 4-month search took place, but there was none found. The only axolotl in existence that we know of are ones in aquariums in captivity. While humans had a major role in the species' decline, an aggressive type of fish introduced into the lake, along with overfishing, the pet trade, and pollution all had a role as well. Just looking at the axolotl, the males and females look nearly the same, requiring an expert to tell them apart. The axolotl can breathe through their gills or through their skin from a vast network of capillaries. These amphibians are carnivorous, feeding on small fish, crustaceans, insect larvae, and mollusks, measuring up to 12 inches or a third of a meter in length and weighing 8 pounds or 3.6 kilograms, have the amazing ability to regenerate. We aren't talking about healing a simple wound like a human would. The axolotl can regenerate missing limbs, their heart, spinal cord, lungs, and kidneys. These unique little creatures have a skeleton made of cartilage like many species of fish. In springtime is the mating season for the axolotl, where the female will release 300 to 1,100 eggs, which are glued to the ground with gelatinous goop. If there are any axolotl in the wild, they live around 10 to 12 years, or 15 years in captivity. While there's been some talk about releasing some of the captive axolotl, along with lab-raised ones, back into the wild, this would have to happen in a controlled environment with ideal water temperature and plenty of worms to eat. Even if this ideal environment was provided, many fear that lab-raised axolotl would lack the survival skills required if any predators came about. Some private collectors of rare and unique creatures have axolotl in their home collections, but it's only a matter of time before the footage we capture of them today is all that's left. What do you think will be the fate of this species? So let us know in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to support the channel, it's simple. Just hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment down below. And until next one, have a good one.